Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to pin a chat on Google Chat using your computer. This feature is part of the new update, and it's perfect if you want to keep your most important conversations right at the top for easy access. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account, because you'll need that to access your chat feature. Once you're on the main Google homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen, right next to your profile photo. You'll see a small grid of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots. A drop-down panel will appear with all your Google apps, things like Gmail, Drive, and Calendar. From this list, find and select Chat. This will open Google Chat in a new tab or window. After Google Chat finishes loading, you'll see your list of conversations on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll through this list until you find the chat you want to pin. Maybe it's a coworker, a team group, or a personal contact you message often. Next to the chat name, move your cursor until you see 3 small vertical dots appear. These dots represent more options for that specific chat. Go ahead and click on them. A short menu will pop up with several choices. From this menu, simply click on Pin. That's it. You've successfully pinned your chat. Once pinned, your selected conversation will move straight to the top of your chat list, making it quick and easy to find every time you open Google Chat. Whether it's a project group, family chat, or your manager's messages, pinning helps you stay organized and saves you from endless scrolling. And if you ever change your mind, don't worry. Unpinning is just as simple. Follow the same steps, click the 3 dots again, and choose Unpin. That's how you pin a chat in Google Chat on PC with the latest update. It's a simple feature, but it makes managing your conversations so much smoother. Keep your most important chats front and center, and get more done every day with just a few clicks.